guys, welcome to another math video. For this video, I'll be talking about real numbers and how to add and subtract them. Okay, so pretty much what I just said, so let's go right into it. Okay, so some basic rules here. So if the signs are the same, you're going to add them as normal, and the result will have the same sign as the numbers that you're adding. If the signs are different, just subtract. Just the big number minus small number, and the result will have the same sign as the bigger number. Okay, so let's go through some examples. You can see what I mean. Okay, so we're just going to add. So here we got two numbers that have the same sign, so we're just going to add them as we normally do. And they're both positive, so your result should have a positive sign, or no sign at all. Okay, so now here we have two numbers again with the same sign. So we're going to add them just like we did the last one. And because they're both negative, your result should also be negative. Okay, so our next one here. So you can see here the signs are different. So we're just going to do big minus small. So 8 minus 6, that would give us 2. And since 8 is bigger than 6, 8 is positive, our answer should be positive. Okay, here we got negative 6 plus 1, so different signs again, so we're going to subtract 6 minus 1, so that'll give us 5. 6 is bigger than 1, so your answer should have a negative sign because 6 is negative. Okay, so now subtracting. So if the signs are the same, you want to simplify the signs if it's necessary. Just remember that minus a negative converts to plus a positive, and then just pretty much follow the rules for addition. But if the signs are different, again, you're going to simplify the signs, and then you'll just follow the rules for addition. And if you're having a hard time with the subtraction, just remember, any subtraction problem can just as easily be turned into an addition problem. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of examples here. Okay, you got 6 minus 4. These two have the same sign, so we're going to subtract as normal, or you can change it to a plus, a minus. And you can see we'll just follow the addition rules. So 6 minus 4, because they got opposite signs, 6 is bigger, so your answer should have a positive attached to it. Okay, let's take a look at another one here. So 3 minus 8. So again, you can change it into an addition problem. And we'll just subtract, because the signs are different. So 8 minus 3, that's 5. 8's bigger than 3. 8's got a negative, so your answer should be negative. Okay, let's take a look at another problem here. So we got 6 minus a negative 8. So we're going to simplify our signs first. So we got 6 plus 8, so that's an addition problem now. So you got the same signs, we're going to add them together, and there you go. Okay, they're both positive, so you're going to add them together anyway, and your answer should be positive. Okay, so here again, we got minus and negative. We want to simplify that first. Now here we have an addition problem. So we have different signs, so I'm going to subtract 6 minus 2. That gives us 4. 6 is bigger than 2 numerically, so our answer should be negative. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you need to go back and look at the examples again, just go ahead and rewind, take a look at them. Just remember, any subtraction problem can be turned into an addition problem. So just remember, minus a negative turns into a plus a positive, and minus a positive turns into plus a negative. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you next time.